Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming where your contacts were stored and stopping any actions that modify them. If you used Google, iCloud, or a phone manufacturer account, sign in now and open Contacts or the web backup. Once done, check Trash or Recently Deleted. Those stores often keep items for 30 days. Make sure to note the exact account and device model so you select the right restore source. This avoids restoring from the wrong backup and losing newer data. You'll now perform the detailed restores. For Google, go to Contacts. Google.com, open Settings, and use Undo Changes to roll back to a date before deletion. This restores linked devices. For iPhone, sign into iCloud.com, go to Account Settings and restore contacts from an archive. If neither applies, inspect your device backup, iTunes/Finder or Android backup apps, the SIM card, and your carrier's contact service. These you'll finish by verifying and protecting the recovered data. Open your Contacts app, spot-check key entries, and merge duplicates so nothing is lost. Then export a vCard or CSV as an immediate fallback. Enable automatic cloud sync and set periodic backups to avoid future loss. If you still can't find numbers, check the SIM, message your frequent contacts for info, or contact your carrier. As a last resort, a data recovery specialist can image the device. Troubleshooting tip: if restore fails, sign out and back into the account and resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.